This is Sharkbite Faucet connector. This connector is very easy. One side is pushed to connect, another side is just threaded into the wing nuts. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the push connection and how to remove it. If you need to cut the pegs, just using the tube cutting tool like this, make sure it's square and make a cut. And then after you cut, we need to make a mark. I just put a chart on the screen, and for 1/4 inch, the length is 0.82, about right here of an inch. Let's check the inside. So you will see the metal teeth. Actually, this is a grab ring. I will grab the tube, and right here there's an O-ring. The O-ring is actually make the tube seal, so that's why we need to make a mark to make sure that you push all the way in. Well, get ready, push that in, make sure this line up, mark facing you, and push. Okay, now I cannot push any further, means that it reached the tube stop, and my mark is a little bit off. So let's say if we want to remove it, for Sharkbite it's very easy. So they got special removal tool like this. So this part facing the fitting. And then all you need to do, just push really hard into the fitting, and at the same time grab the tube, pull that out. So let's get started. And for this part, it's actually very easy. This is just threaded. You just use a wing nut. You don't need any other tools to connect it and remove it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.